Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is Dhanbir Singh, your moral teacher. Greeting of the day students. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study moral studies, dear students. So let's start. The today we will complete chapter second, and the name of chapter is, dear student, the little red hen's bread. Okay, so in this chapter we should know the importance of hard work, and why it is necessary to do hard work, and why hard work is necessary to succeed in life. Okay, so this is very inspiring story, dear students. Let's start. Once on a farm, a hard-working little red hen lived with their three friends: a duck, a cat, and a dog. A hen is used to live, and he is having three friends. The name of friend is duck, cat, and a dog. Okay, they, all her friends were very lazy. The red hen was scratching in the farmyard when she found some grains of wheat. Then she asked, "Who will plant the grain of wheat?" She said, "Not I," duck answered. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the duck. Okay, so dear student, this is the story of a hen whose name is Red Hen. She used to live along with his three friends. The three friends were very lazy. The name of friends were duck, cat, and dog. One day she is working in his garden. She found some grain of wheat. So she asked the three friends who will going to plant these grains. Nobody ready to do the work. Okay, well, then said the red hen, "I will." So she planted the grains, and after some time the beet grew tall and ripe. Then again she asked, "Who will cut the beet?" asked the little hen. Nobody answered in yes. Okay, nobody said, "Not I, not I, not I." Even duck, cat, and the dog. Very well, then she said the little hen. So she cut the beet. So if you are so student, what used to happen is the three friends are not ready to do any kind of work. Okay, so what hen used to do every time? Now said the red hen, "Who will thresh the beet?" Not, said the duck. In the same manner, not, said the cat. Not, said the dog. Very well, then I will, said the red hen. So she threshed the beet. When the beet was threshed, she said, "Who will take the beet to the mill to have ground into flour?" Not, said the duck. Not, said the cat. Not, said the dog. Very well, then I'll do. When the flour came to the mill, she baked a lovely loaf of bread. She prepared bread out of flour. She said, "Who will eat then?" Now listen, students. "Oh, I will, oh, I will, oh, I will," said the duck, cat, and dog simultaneously. Then hen replied, "No one, you won't," said the little red hen. "I will. Whoever worked to make the bread will get it. None of you help me in making the bread." And she called her chicks and shared the bread with them. So, dear students, in this story, the moral of this story, we should work hard, then only we can achieve the success in our life. As in this story, the hen used to work every time, or their friends, duck, cat, and the dog, they never ready to do the hard work, but always it was the hen. She has to do the work by her own. So moral of this story is, we should ready to do hard work, through which we are going to achieve the success. If we do hard work, at the last we will achieve the success, and we will feel very good, and the advantages of it are very broader, dear students. Okay, so we should ready to work hard. Okay, we should try to help Okay, if we see moral, then what you have to do is, dear student, this is very simple story, the chapter connect. In this, let us review. You have to fill the little hand was very dash working. You have to fill in the blanks and write in your notebook. Then B part, answer orally in one sentence. You have to write down in very short answer. Read the above story. Name the animals mentioned in the story. You know that there are 4 animals mentioned in the story. How many you could find it? Okay, like hen, cat, duck, whatever. You read this story very carefully and you have to write the answer at your own. Okay, then what type of friends did the red hen have? You have to give the answer. You read this story and find the answer. What did the hen find in the farmyard? You know what you found out. What activities did she her friends to do? What are the activities, dear students? I'll help you. First of all, she asked them to plant the grains. Then after planting, she asked who will cut it. Okay, then who will go for thresh it. Then after, who will go to mill to have a ground into flour, but nobody is ready to do the answer because all the friends were very lazy. Who will eat the bread finally? You know, at the last of the chapter you find it very easily. Who finally ate the bread? So dear students, if you are having books, please read this story. This is very interesting story, and moral of this story is we should work hard in our life in order to achieve the success. If don't having the book, you can bag this from here. You can read this story like this. Read this story very carefully, then turn the page second. From here you can read this, okay, story very carefully. Then after that you have to complete this work in your notebook. If you are having any problem, you can ask me or you can call me. Thank you, dear students.